2017 Nissan Sentra, how to change a cabin filter. Let's look at the cabin filter. Cabin filter is a skinny filter. It's not too fat like all the other cabin filters. Bring it down. Cabin filter looks something like this, and it has an airflow sign there, arrow there. You always want to follow that arrow. And show me the side, like how fat it is. Bring it down. It's not too fat, and it's a skinnier filter. So the filter is down here. If you go under the glove box and you look all the way back here, you're gonna see this little door here. Let me see if I can attach my light somewhere, and then everybody can see. The cabin filter is inside this right here. It's one of the toughest cabin filters in the cars. So the filter is in here. There's the filter. And what I'll do is I'll try to grab, because I can't hold on to the light and the camera. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this pick to pull out the filter. It is. It is. These filters, they squeeze out of there. You see how this one is coming out? It's squeezed in there. And that's how these filters come out. When you put this filter in, all you do is you squeeze it, just like that. You squeeze the filter, you push it in there, and once it goes in there, it opens itself up. And there's the filter. That's the cabin filter. And this was the cover that goes there. Alright, so the airflow, I took out the airflow. It was facing forward towards the engine, just like that. Can you see that? It's facing that way. Alright, so we're gonna take a new filter, and I just want to see something in there. These filters are messy, so there's an arrow on this one. I'm gonna put it facing that way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it just like that one was. I'll stick it in there, and once it's in there, it will open up on its own. So the filter slides right in there. Once it's in there, you take this little cover and you put the cover on. I have to figure out which side is up and which side is down. And that's it. Now you know we're gonna put this cover on it because we cannot manage to get the camera in there. And that's it. So if you're doing a cabin filter, you're gonna go behind this glove box.